guys, today I wanted to try something new, so I'm going to be trying to do an open cup acrylic pour. I don't actually know what paint ratios are best for this technique, so it's going to be a bit of an experiment using paints that I already have mixed up, and then from there we'll see what works or what doesn't and learn from there. To start, I'm laying down a base coat that's half white and half black. The white is mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, and the black is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. So the black paint mixture is a thinner consistency than the white. And we'll see if the consistency makes any difference to the result. By the way, I will list all the colors and paint ratios in the description box, so you'll be able to find all the details there. Now that the base coat is down, it's time to get the open cup ready. This is just one of my little paper cups. I've cut out the bottom of the cup. Okay, so I'm going to layer the various colors into the cup, starting with turquoise. All of the colors that I'm adding to the cup are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. This is emerald green, brilliant yellow, orange, vermilion, and crimson. Now I'm just going to drag the cup along here a bit until all the paint is out. Actually, as I'm using this cup, it does seem like it would be better if it was a bit heavier and a bit thicker, but this is okay. For a first try, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I love the bright colors, and I'm amazed that the cells have popped up without any silicone. And look at these cute little ones. I feel like the composition could be a little bit better, but overall, still pretty happy with the painting. I hope you guys enjoy giving this technique a try too. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.